What's up guys, Scooterbot.com here. Welcome back to another episode of the Scooterbot.com. Another blog of the Scooterbot doing Uber Eats on the Vespa GTP. I already got an order from my house. I turned myself online in my house when I was rolling out, and I got an order right away from Sweet Mama. It's not a bad one to start with. $6.38 for 3.3 miles, I think. Yesterday was actually pretty good. He did 98 bucks, almost 100. One of the customers took my tape off. I'm not sure why. I actually didn't do anything, you know. I delivered all the orders successfully to the right houses. I'm not sure why they took my tape out. It's actually pretty awesome when you are rolling out from home and you get an order right away, so you don't have to spend any time, you know, going on around and around and around. That doesn't happen too often, so I'll take advantage, and that's why I didn't want to reject that order, because like I have said before, try to always take the first order you get of the day, because that's gonna help the algorithm to keep you active during the entire day. So it's always good if you take the first order you get, because if you reject it, it's not good. I'm not sure how the algorithms work, but I have experienced myself, like when I reject the first order of the day, it ended up not being one of the best days. Thank you. Alright, so we got a double order. The first one is from Chipotle, and the second one is from Fall Heaven. The one from Fall Heaven isn't that good, but I'll just take it, you know. Still early. Hello, how are you? I'm picking up for pay. Sorry? Okay. Okay. Thank you. So I got both orders with me, the Fall Heaven and the Chipotle. Gotta put some petrol in. We're running out of fuel. Bye, thank you. Alright, so it looks like it's been kind of active this morning. I think I got almost 30 bucks maybe, not sure. For Prince? Yeah, thanks brother, I appreciate it. Hello. Thank you. Have a good one. Alright, so we got this CF coffee, $9 with 98 cents, I think. Not bad to start the evening with a $9 order. That's pretty good. For Melanie. Thank you. Alright, so we got this bento for $7 to Lauria Park. It was like 2.1 miles, I think. Not the best one, but not the worst one. Just trying to fix my off-road address that I lost it. But how can you cannot do it with these orders. Come on. Alright, that was actually pretty quick. Thanks, I appreciate it. For Josh.
How you doing, brother?
Very good, thanks. How about you? Thank you. You too. That's what I'm talking about, man. Looks like we finally are getting good orders, man, because today's been like crazy low. All the orders that I have done is been like 5, 6, 7, 8, no more than that. Had like an hour without doing anything, man. That was actually pretty quick. See how nice when everything goes flawlessly. You know, the restaurant have the food ready. You didn't have any issue finding the place where you have to deliver it. There was no traffic. What else? Everything went just perfectly. I think I did this one under 2-3 minutes. That's the good thing about doing Uber Eats on a motorcycle, man. It's so quick. Not only because of, you know, the riding maneuvers that you're able to make. Finding parking is usually a lot easier for motorcycles, but I personally always look for a spot where to park. I don't have to leave my motorcycle, you know, on the way like a piece of shit. Because if there is parking lots, why not use the parking lots? For Natalie, thank you so much. Have a good night. You can see how fast it makes the trip when the restaurant have the food ready. It really makes our life a lot more easier. Man, this bike feels awesome after that service that I did. Woo! I don't want to stop riding it. Like, I want to hit the highway in 4 hours. The SIP Performance Drive Pull in combination with the Polini 3G Force Max High Speed Clutch and the Max High Speed Clutch Bell and the Max High Speed Barrier with the night rollers, a great combination, to be honest. It's a really nice setup for any GT, GTS or GTV, 200, 250 or 300. They all fit for any engine. Even though if you have a bullet out or anything, even with the standard piston, it will work flawlessly. I highly recommend this kit. I highly recommend this setup. If you are willing to do the investment, if you're willing to spend that money, definitely do it with your eyes closed because it's really worth it.